Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a brand new Harris Crowne. So the Crowne's the top trim level in the Harris family of pontoon boats. Of all of the exteriors, the Crowne has the sleekest exterior of all of them. So wraparound seating in the front. This one was ordered with the white ivory cashmere interior. Really, really good looking, really crisp, really clean. Gray flooring with the white stripes, so it's the gray teak. Flip down armrests, storage underneath all the seats. One of the things that makes the Crowne a little different than the other models is all of the storage, and this is the cover for the boat, but all the storage has this built-in molded inserts, so you can use absolutely every single one of these as a built-in cooler. So it's actually done really well. Very compartmentalized, so if you keep a lot of stuff, a lot of small stuff with you when you go out in a boat, the storage on this boat's really, really good because it's all very compartmentalized. Coming over here to the helm, Simrad screen right here in the dash. JL audio, this does have the biggest audio system available from the factory. So 2 subwoofers, extra amplifiers, JL audio speakers throughout. Does have the 7-inch Simrad screen, so chart plotter, downscan sonar, fish finder, all of your engine screens and gauges also runs directly through this. So really, really nice. Powered backrest on the SL floor plan for the Crownes. So this is your control for it. You also have one back here behind me, but you can recline this all the way down to get this nice big rear lounge seating back here. Double USB port, an extra stereo remote control over here as well as a 12 volt charger. Because the back of this is all fiberglassed in, it also has a really nice built-in cooler underneath the port side seat. This one was ordered, like really all of our others, with the stern safety railing, so this fence will move in. So if you want to come out to the back or go to the other side where your ladder is, there's also, you'll see the extension cord running around the corner here. Built-in charging, for the boat, so that way wherever you keep it stored, just keep it plugged in. There's another additional stereo remote control back here on the back, so you can stand on the ladder of the boat and get to it, as well as a flip-over swim seat on the back, which is one of my favorite options. If just about everybody that owns these boats, if you ask them what their favorite option is, they're probably going to say a submersible swim seat. This one has a big old 400 on the back of it. Great performance, makes it about a 50-mile-an-hour pontoon boat, so does fantastic, as well as power tower, double bimini top. So if you've got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, by all means, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.